Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this session, we will start talking about Harold Pinter and his work. Here we design a three-part for you. First, in the first part, we set a questions analysis part, and the second, set a revision of questions. And at the end of the session, we will start a quiz. So, now let's start Harold Pinter's work. This is the Harold Pinter. And this first question, where in London was Pinter born? Hackney, Elephant Castle, Knightsbridge. So Harold Pinter born in the Hackney. Main point related Harold Pinter. Harold Pinter born in the 10th October 1930 in Hackney, London, and the died 24th December 2008 in Acton, London. So died due to the liver cancer at the age of 78. Nationality British, and occupation playwright, screenwriter, actor, theatre director, and the poet also. Belong to the period 1947 2008. Mostly this period comes in the modern period. Spouse Vivian Merchant and another Lady Antonia Fraser. Notable awards: David Cohen Prize 1995, Laurence Olivier Award 1996, Companion of Honor 2002, Nobel Prize in Literature 2005, and Legion d'Honneur 2007. And next notable work: The Birthday Party 1957, Rome 1957 also, The Caretaker 1959, Servant 1963, The Homecoming 1964, Tea Party also comes in 1964, No Man's Land 1975, Betrayal 1978, One for the Road 1984, The Trial 1993, and Salute 2007. So coined term Theatre of the Absurd by the Martin Aslin, The Comedy of Menace by the Irving Wardle, first time coined by the David Campton this term. He has written around 29 plays and 15 dramatic sketches also. Second question, Pinter's first produced effort as a playwright was entitled The Room, Dumb Waiter, A Slight Age. Correct answer is The Room. About The Room. The Room's first play of Harold Pinter, published during 1957. Main characters: Berthold Rose, Mr. Kit, Mr. Sands, Mrs. Sands, Riley. Belong to the genre tragicomedy and comedy of menace. Setting of the play: a room in a large house. Next question, in which one of the following films did Pinter appear as an actor? Sense and Sensibility, Mansfield Park, Pride and Prejudice. So correct answer is Mansfield Park. About the Mansfield Park is a 1999 British romantic comedy drama film based on Jane Austen's 1814 novel of the same name. Pinter played Sir Thomas Battering, who was in slave trading business, an owner of the estate called Mansfield Park. Next, which play do we find the protagonist awakening from a 29-year sleeping sickness? Family Voices, A Kind of Alaska, Victoria Station. Correct answer, A Kind of Alaska. About Kind of Alaska is a one-act play written in 1982 by British playwright Harold Pinter. Deborah is the main character, a middle-aged woman who has been in the comatose. Comatose is a coma, stage of coma. 29 years as a result of sleeping sickness. Awakes with the mind still that of a 16 years old. Next, in The Caretaker, Who is asked to be a caretaker? Esther, Mick, Davies. Correct answer, Davies. The Caretaker 3 Acts play. It's a sixth play of Harold Pinter, published during the 1960s. The main characters: Mick, a man in his late 20s, Aston, a man in his early 30s, Davies, an old man. So three main characters in The Caretaker plays belong to the genre tragicomedy. Setting of the play: a house in West London in the season of winter. Compare this play with Waiting for Godot, written by Samuel Beckett. This scene taken from Act 1 and Scene 1. Aston has invited Davies, a homeless man from Sidcup, into his flat after rescuing him from a bar fight. Aston offers Davies the job of caretaker. Next, in which of the following texts do Aston, Davies, and Mick appears as characters? Graham Greene's Brighton Rock, Harold Pinter's Caretaker, Catherine Mansfield's Life of Ma Parker. So correct answer, Harold Pinter's Caretaker. In the birthday party, what is Mac's birthday present to Stanley? A tin soldier, a toy drum, a red vehicle. Correct answer is a toy drum.